What if AI didn't just support your business, but reshaped its very core? How you manage data, design medicine, understand your customers, and lead teams. Today, we're looking at a shift that's unfolding across multiple fronts. And it all starts with how we treat data as a strategic asset, not just an operational resource. Let's start with data management. Alation has released something called the Data Products Builder Agent. And while the name may sound technical, its impact is anything but abstract. This agent is designed to streamline how organizations prepare data for AI applications. That means faster, cleaner, and more scalable data workflows, making it easier to roll out AI across your operations without months of back-end cleanup. Here's what's powerful. It doesn't just automate, it enhances data quality and accessibility. That's essential, because if your AI is only as good as your data, then this kind of tool directly translates to better decisions, faster pivots, and smarter models. It's one more step in shifting from reactive to intelligent data environments. Now, let's talk about a breakthrough that sits right on the edge of science fiction: AI-designed DNA. Recent advances show that machine learning can now design DNA that controls genes in healthy mammalian cells. That's a milestone in genetic engineering. It's faster, more cost-effective, and opens the door to personalized medicine that doesn't just treat disease, but is tailored to individual biology. The implications? Massive. But the strategy here is just as critical. Implementing machine learning in genetic research isn't just about precision. It's about rethinking how you manage genetic information ethically and securely. As the tech evolves, so too must the frameworks that govern its use. Meanwhile, in the cultural domain, AI is unlocking stories that were once thought lost. Researchers are now using large language models to translate ancient texts faster and more accurately than ever before. This isn't about nostalgia. It's about knowledge preservation, about stitching together pieces of our global story through scalable machine translation powered by advanced data management. But as AI charges ahead, another message is getting clearer. Technology alone isn't the answer. The human layer, judgment, empathy, creativity, still defines the success of AI integration. From marketing to leadership, we're seeing that the winners aren't those who automate the fastest, but those who align automation with long-term value and human insight. In marketing, for example, the pressure to chase real-time analytics is high. But what holds long-term brand value? According to today's insights, consistency, customer trust, a message that resonates across touchpoints, not just clicks. That's where AI supports, not replaces, strategic brand building. And leadership? It's shifting too. 70% of chief data and analytics officers now play a direct role in defining AI strategy and operating models. That's not a trend. That's a redefinition of leadership. The role of CDAOs is no longer limited to compliance or dashboards. They're shaping the very future of business design. As organizations look toward 2025 and beyond, human-machine partnerships are becoming the norm. But collaboration takes clarity. Teams need frameworks. Managers need new mindsets. And project leaders need adaptive approaches that keep AI aligned with the bigger picture, not just tech KPIs. So here's the takeaway. Whether you're deploying AI to clean your data, engineer DNA, decode ancient scripts, or reinvent customer engagement, success comes down to strategy. Not just what you implement, but how and why you lead it. What you choose to prioritize now could define how ready you are for what comes next.